These names are Sanskrit terms. It is possible that it might be somewhat difficult to learn these names, but remember that studying is well worth it to succeed in life. The names of the tattvas. Akash is the principle of ether. Vayu is the etheric principle of the air. Chaos is the etheric principle of fire. Prithvi is the etheric principle of the element earth. Akash is the etheric principle of water. There are two secret tattvas named Adi and Samadhi that vibrate during the aurora dawn and are excellent for internal meditation. Ecstasy or samadhi is achieved with them. We will not expound these tattvas now because they are useful in advanced things only. Tattva Kaideva. The vibration of the tattvas begins at sunrise. Each tattva vibrates for 24 minutes in a period of 2 hours. The first tattva that vibrates is Akash, followed in succession by Vayu, Teos, Prithvi, and Apas. 2 hours later, Akash vibrates again, and a succession of tattvas in the same order is repeated. The tattvas vibrate day and night. It is necessary to know the hour of sunrise. Uccelli's astrological yearbook is one of the calendars that marks the time of sunrise in each country of Latin America. Some daily newspapers, especially in the United States of America, and magazines indicate the time of sunrise. Galvin's calendar is also good for this purpose. Those who would like Uccelli's American yearbook in Spanish can request it. Properties of the tattvas. Akash. Akash is exclusively good for meditation. We advise you to pray a lot during this time. Do not have business or love appointments during this time because you will inevitably fail. This tattva causes us to make very serious mistakes. If you work during this period, you should then be very careful. Artists should abstain from working Akash. Everything that begins with Akash will fail. Akash is the tattva of death. Vayu. Everything that is velocity, motion, and response to Vayu, the principle of air. Wind, air, aerial navigation, etc. are related to Vayu. During this period, people enjoy speaking ill about their fellow men, lying, stealing, etc. Usually, airplane accidents happen during this period. Suicide is stimulated by this tatva. We advise you not to marry during this period because your marriage will be of short duration. All kinds of simple and fast events are very good at Vayu, but businesses that are complex and of long duration result in failure. It is good to carry out intellectual work during this period. The great yogis mentally manipulate this tattva and use it intelligently when they want to float in the air. Teos. Teos is hot because it is the etheric principle of fire. During the period in which this tattva is active, we feel more heat. You can bathe in cold water in Teos and you will never catch a cold. Never argue with anyone in Teos because the consequences can be serious. You should utilize the time of Teos to work intensely. Do not marry during Teos because you have constant quarrels with your partner. The most terrible explosions and accidents happen in the period of the tattva Teos. Prithvi. This is the tattva of success in life. If you want to succeed in business, do it in Prithvi. If you want to have good health, eat and drink in Prithvi. Marriages accomplished in Prithvi are happy for life. Every party, lecture, business, or appointment done in Prithvi will be a total success. Prithvi is love, charity, benevolence. Apas. Apas is the principle of water and is the opposite of Teos, fire. This tattva is marvelous for the purchase of merchandise. It is marvelous for business, and you will be able to earn much money if you know how to take advantage of this tattva. Buy lottery tickets in Apas. Journeys by water are good in Apas. Rainfalls that begin in Apas tend to be very lengthy and heavy.